Well, it's Christmas now. It's New Year's, and every New Year, I got 3 cats in the building, and I make the special dish for them. They each get a can of food. Of course, the super takes care of them really good, but I give them a little special treat. And guess what? They're waiting for me down in the basement, so let's get down to the basement and feed those little cats. Meow, meow. Well, as you see, I'm on my way. Put in a wagon. Take it, let's go. We gotta go to the elevator down there. We're going. Take care of the kitties in the basement. It's Christmas, you know. It's Christmas for them. Let's go, kitties. The elevator's here, coming on. Hey, where are you going, out? You going down? Merry Christmas. Oh, we're going to take a ride with my buddy here. This is for the kitty cats. I got 3 dishes for the kitty cats in the basement. Okay, we're in the lobby now. My special delivery's getting down. Let's go see the cats in the back. They're hanging out in the back. Let's go check them out. There's one of them. Oh, they run when they see me. There's one of them hanging out there. Let's go pay him a visit. We're coming. Food. Food. Come here. Don't go. If you look, it's a slow motion, but there's 2 cats running out of the door on the top of the frame. Look up and you see them. I don't know if you can see him, but there he is. Hi, guy. Come on. And we got one coming in. One came in. Let me go back. See that black? Oh, he likes that. Okay. There's Ashley. Where's Ashley? I don't know where Ashley is. And you? You're not going to eat? Huh? What are you going to do? Walk around? I think he's going to be the inspector. He's going to inspect. All right. Well, you guys got your 3 plates here. One more's missing. He'll be coming. He's eating. He's eating nicely. Merry Christmas, guys. All right? All right. Merry Christmas. What are you going to do? You going to go eat? You going to go eat or no? Huh? I guess not. Wants to come home with me. I got no more room in the house. I got Pumpkin, you know. She runs the household. She throws me and Mommy out. She's something else. Here we go. We're out of here. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year down there. Happy New Year.